wait, is this... Okay, we're live. So, hey everyone. So I was going to play a song tonight, but, well, let me just show you. This guy, Tucker, appeared to have scooped one of his poops out of his litter box. So, yeah, this is not the first time that it's happened. It's kind of happened a lot. So I think I'm going to finally do it. I'm calling the cat police. In the cat justice system, cats are represented by two separate yet equally important groups. The cat police, who investigate cat crime, and the cat attorneys, who prosecute the cats. These are their stories. Tucker, answer the question. Don't make me play good dog, bad dog. My client won't talk without a flea deal. Fine. Book this perpetrator. We're taking you to cat court. Tucker, you've been charged with the felony of littering. How do you plead? Opening statements. My client is really cute. This argument is highly plausible. I find the defendant innocent of all charges. Case closed. I can't believe it. Where's the justice? What did you expect? This is cat court. You said it, bub.